Hey Savage, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Girl Gisha underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. Yes. So for you guys to into this video, guys, to like it, comment and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload another video like this. Yes. Also follow my social medias down in the description box. Please feel free to go down there, check it out. Anything is down there. Maybe there's a surprise down there and y'all don't get it, but yeah, so make sure that you go down there, follow everything down there, everything that I've never said in this video, everything is down there in the description box, so feel free to go there and check it out. Today y'all, we're going to do a video reaction to Shaman Bctahem. I don't know if that's like in a different language or it's supposed to be that's the word. But it's Bctahem, Bctahem, Bctahem or Bctahem or Tahem, I don't know, but it's from Shaman. It's my first time reacting to this video, so feel free y'all to comment down below videos you want me to do for y'all, and I'll do it. And if I do, let's listen to this video.
Встанем, пока еще с вами мы живы, и правда за нами. Там сверху на нас кто-то смотрит родными глазами. Они улыбались, как дети, и в небо шагали. Встанем и ближе к ним станем. Встанем, пока с нами рядом Господь и истина с нами. Мы скажем спасибо за то, что победу нам дали, за тех, кто нашел свое небо и больше не с нами. Встанем и песню затянем. Встанем, и бьется сильнее в груди наша вечная память между нами. Встанем, герои России останутся в наших сердцах до конца. Встанем и вспомним всех тех, кого в этом огне потеряли, кто шел умирать за свободу, а не за медали. Я знаю, что мы обязательно встретимся с вами. Встанем и снова затянем. Наша вечная память между нами. Встанем, герои России останутся в наших сердцах до конца. Наша вечная память между нами. Встанем, герои России останутся в наших сердцах до конца.
God, you guys, it's just, he just hit me with the stunning. That serious stunning. That serious stunning face, like, stunning. Oh, child, don't you do that, man. I don't know what that means. Yeah, I just don't know. I just don't know what everything means, but so good, like, stunning. Oh, wow. Woo! My. Love it. Love it. Love it. So guys, if you're a huge fan of Shaman or Haman, please give it a huge thumbs up. Like this video, y'all. Like it. Please subscribe, because we're on our way to 1K subs. We're not 1K subs, so make sure to subscribe. And if you know what he's saying, and if you know what Shaman means, please comment below what does that mean, because I need to know what does it mean. Make sure that you are subscribed, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.